the battery went to 50%, so I didn't want to send it up.
So what did you do, change batteries?
Yeah.
I don't think this is a good idea. So, I know my husband very, very well, and I can already tell you he's about ready to do something really stupid. It's really high up there above the pit. How are you feeling?
I'm freaking out.
Are you freaking out? Do you think this wasn't a good idea?
I'm thinking this wasn't a good idea.
Do you think you're going to lose your drone? I think it's not doing anything. I think it's just going to drop in the pit, and we're going to lose it.
No. Yeah, it should be coming to me.
It's probably going to drop in the pit. Bye, drone. Did you program it to waypoint or come back?
Yeah. It is 30 meters up. Okay, it says return home.
As long as it stays here.
Please come straight down to I had the camera
Did
on.
it come back to you?
It came back to me, but it was going to crash down on the ground.
Were you a little nervous?
I was scared. Yes, it almost crashed in the pit.
Almost crashed in the road?
Almost crashed in the road.
Almost crashed into the people?
Almost crashed into the people.
Do you feel better it's in your hand?
Yeah, will not ever do that again.
So we just got back in the truck after flying the drone over the pit. This is what happened to Aidan when he caught the drone, because if he hadn't, it would have been smashed all over the ground. Drones can be dangerous.
And it would have landed on a couple people. So I was hollering, "Don't keep walking." He wasn't listening.